Hi all. So I'm making the video after a long time. So today we will be covering the most asked interview questions, that is Java interview series. Basically, we are starting it. Earlier, I have started my Spring Boot series, but I will be continuing that also in parallel. And apart from this, I am making the videos on Java interview series, using Java at the most asked interview questions in the product-based companies or in the services companies. So let's get started first. So these are the two important questions which I will be covering today. That repeated character in string using Java. First repeated character, like basically we want here, and similarly the second most asked interview question is that first non-repeated character in string using Java. So these two things will be covering here. So firstly, let's get started with first repeated character in string using Java. So I will tell you how we can simply write a simple program using Java. Suppose this is the string str equals to programming is we are giving now. So we want the first repeated character in string using Java 8. Like using earlier Java versions like Java 7, we can easily do it. Many of the people are aware, but using Java 8 interview nowadays we want. So the output which we are expecting here, the first repeated character should be coming as R here, as the R is the coming first here and it is being repeated twice. So we are expecting the output as R. So the explanation, if I can say that using the code wise using Java, it is a simpler approach that we can go with the what I say that we can go using the hash set. We can easily try to add the elements in the hash set using the filter method of Java, and once the element is being repeated, so it won't allow again, and then we can capture there. But that approach I will not follow here. I will follow the generic way so that you can be aware by both the things, like first repeated character and first non-repeated character. Similarly, if I say for the second program, like here we want the first non-repeated character. So first non-repeated character in this case is P. So let's get started with the first problem, like first repeated character in the ID. So simply we can have this program here. So now it will be maximize, I guess. I can see if can it be more maximize. Okay. So now what we can do here, like we can simply write a generic code using Java. I will be writing it. So what we can do, we can just write with the string name str dot cats dot map to object. I will tell you why we are doing this thing. Now we will convert into character by character. So here I can take as I with the help of the lambda expression character dot value of we need to do I again. Okay, so now I will explain you the whole code, like basically what I am trying to do here. So basically I have traversing it into cats and then converting into using the map to dot object is the method here, and converting this string character by character into the character array, and then further I will be streaming it. So now the next important method is the collect method, and here I will be doing the grouping by function dot identity is the method. Now collectors dot counting is the method. Then okay, so here this bracket is closed, this is closed. Now basically we have collected that character array with the frequency, like P is coming how many times, R is coming how many times. Now it will convert into the hash map. Basically this will return a hash map. Now we want to further stream it, basically this hash map. So how we can do it? We can do using the entry set. Entry set is there, then we can need to just stream. Then we need to call the filter method and check, give some, we can take some other value name also, as we have used I. So c dot get value is there, like value will be stored as long type. So we'll be checking the frequency, whose frequency is greater than 1L. Basically we are finding the first repeating character. Then filter we have done. Now I dot get key dot find first is the method dot get is there. We need to import the necessary imports of this function, and now we will try to print it, or directly we can just store into some character. Okay, let me store. Now we will just try to print this first repeating character, and the output should be coming as R. See here, so the output is basically coming as R, as R was the first repeating character who's coming, which is coming as twice. And now you can ask the question that M is also coming twice, but we are just fetching the first repeating character here, as we has called this find first, and then we are calling the get method. Instead of get method, this is the optional get method. Apart from this, like we can return some alternate values also, as I told in optional class, that we can call dot or else, and if the value is not present, so it will return some default value if you want to return it. So let me explain you basically what we are doing. We are just streaming this string. We are trying to convert into the character sequence, and we're using the map.to object. And here we are calling character.value. So it, for character by character, it will just stream it. And then further we are calling the collect method. And here we are grouping by, we are calling the function.identity. So that this p will be function.identity. What it does, that p, and along with that we are calling collectors.counting. So we are grouping by based on these two parameters. So p is coming 1, so it will create a hash map that p is the key and 1 is the value, and long value will be of long type. And then further we are streaming this hash map using entry set, then stream method we are calling again, and then filter method we are calling, and then we are checking whose value is greater than 1L, like basically used for the long value. So then we are just mapping the key of that particular value, and then we are calling the find first method. It will return the only the find first value only, and then we are calling the get method, and then we are trying to print the first repeating character. Similarly, now we want first non-repeated character. The same code will be there, so that's why I have written the generic logic. So it, instead of this greater than, we will just do double equals, assignment operator we will be calling here. And in this case, let me format the code. So let me run this basically, then I will explain you like what I have done the other way. See here, for first repeating character it is coming R, but for first non-repeating character it is coming P. Now let me explain you this whole, both the code in detail wise. Okay,